Bear Bear. You ready for breakfast? Huh? Hey, baby. You ready for breakfast? Go this way. Go that way, Daddy.
Let's go. There you go. Hey, come on. Let's go.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good
Morning.
I
love you.
Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday.
Way up high.
Happy Saturday.
Oh my goodness.
Coming to you from the pergola.
Is that what they call these things?
Yes, this one's a pergola.
A pergola.
People call them gazebos, or I don't know what else people call them, but this is a pergola.
To me, it's just a patio with a roof.
But it's up on a hill next to the waterfall.
Yeah.
Actually, it goes over
the waterfall is actually, it's a stream. I think
where
you can
starts.
see it right here, but it starts up there. It goes underneath the patio with a roof on it, and then the waterfall begins as a waterfall.
With the roof on it. Yes, it does. Yes, it does.
Hey, we got some birthdays.
We do. We do. So yesterday was our friend Shauna's.
Yes.
Shauna Jans. From what is their channel now? JRP, Jance Road Trippin'.
Jance Road
but
Trippin'.
they abbreviate it now, so Jance Road Trippin'. So happy birthday, Shauna. Hope
Happy
you had a great day
birthday.
yesterday. And coming up on the 10th, in just a couple days, is our daughter Ashley's birthday. Happy birthday, Ashley. We love you.
Ashley.
She's 32.
Happy birthday. Oh my God.
Oh, my baby. She's my baby. Yikes.
Wow.
They grow up, don't they? Her baby is 6 years old already.
Wow.
That makes us even older. Even older than that.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, well, thank you all for being here and watching today. We appreciate you so much. Thank you for subscribing and clicking the bell to make sure that you get notified every time there is a new video out. Please give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. You may be featured on Comment of the Week. And share us with all of your friends that you want to torment.
We really need those
Family
thumbs
too.
up. Do that on this video right now. You can do it while you're watching the video. And if you're on TV, you can still do that. All you have to do is pause it and they pop up. I did not
is
know
that
that.
something new?
I did not know that.
Maybe that's something new because so many people watch them from
the television.
a TV.
Yeah.
And you have no way of commenting or liking or anything like that. I usually go into my phone. You know, we've watched it on TV and then I go to my phone and find it and then
But
do
make
what I
sure
need to
you
do.
give this video a thumbs up. We need those thumbs up to help push it out there, okay?
Yes, please.
All right.
Alrighty, so last week after we chatted with you, you did some video stuff and we did some fiberglass repair on the bumper of the rig after we backed it into the hill.
Less is more.
No, they have to. Why did you do that?
Because you didn't tell me to stop.
Okay. We're not putting fault on anybody here. It just happened. It's one of those things. Kind of like, you know, tail swing and all that. Where we learned how to do fiberglass repair. Every time we, like I think we said it last week. Every time something happens, we learn.
It's a learning experience.
Learning experience. Alrighty, and then I got some laundry done, and I did some craft area organizing up in my sister's office in my craft area. So I got some of that done. On Sunday, we got to go do something fun.
Yes.
My son RJ had a desert race, motorcycles, and Tom had never been to one of the motorcycle races, whether it be motocross or desert race. Usually I don't go to the desert races because all you get to see them is at the very beginning and when they come in. So you're sitting there for hours doing nothing, which you can do at a motocross while you're waiting for motos. But you had never been, so you know, it was around all these tons of motocross bikes and riders and families, and it was out here where we're staying, so it wasn't very far to go at all. It was just a couple miles away, And so we went out there and hung out with RJ for a little bit before his race started. And we kind of left after the race and went over to his house to go play with the puppy.
His puppy.
His puppy, Lola, yes. And we mentioned her last week. And so we went and played with her for a little bit. And then that afternoon, Wendy and I were upstairs in the room just kind of getting things still situated. And then I went back over to RJ's because he went into town to do something. And so I went in to go give her her meds. She had a little thing removed.
An owie.
Apparently, it's a benign skin growth that comes on puppies under 3 years old. It's weird. I've never seen it or had that happen, but when he took her to the vet to have it removed, they told him, actually, he had to wait like over a week and a half to get the results. And he finally got the results, and they said it was just a benign thing that happens on puppies. So, no big deal, thank goodness. And then Monday, got to spend some time with Wendy, and I finished moving the rest of my craft supplies over, well, out of the upstairs. I still need to get some stuff out of the basement. But I got to make a couple cards finally, woo! Get all this working up to getting to make a couple cards because I had some things happening, like Ashley's birthday, needed to get that card sent out, and Alex's graduation, which is coming up here in a couple days. You just had fun playing with your video
whatever
stuff, and then I went and took care of Lola at lunch. Go feed her lunch. On Tuesday, fun stuff.
Yay!
We got to go get our doctor's appointments taken care of.
Got our annuals done.
Yep.
She passed with flying colors. I got about a C-.
We both got A-. And the minus is his sugar's a little bit up there, my cholesterol's a little bit up there. We did kind of, I've been told by other doctors too that mine is mostly a hereditary thing for the higher cholesterol.
Yeah.
And
mine is just because I'm stupid and eat whatever the hell I want.
It's my fault. I don't want to feed you. But you are a grown man who can say, no, this is what I want to eat.
Yeah, right.
But instead he's like, what's for dessert?
Like that's going to happen.
Cookies? I want pie. I want cake. Like my mom.
Oh my gosh. Here we go.
Oh. So after the doctor's appointments and we were feeling all good about ourselves, I needed to go get my hairs cut, and I did. Oh, thank goodness. It was getting so hot, and I'm like, ah.
How'd you go?
Ah. Yeah, that's my thumbnail. And you went over and bought some
While you were getting
jeans.
your hairs trimmed, I went and finally spent money on some jeans.
Yeah, you were down.
I just can't believe the price of clothes anymore. This is ridiculous.
He was down to
It is ridiculous.
no more good pairs of jeans at all. So if we were going to go somewhere like our grandson's graduation the following night on Wednesday night, he had nothing good to wear. So it was time. He definitely knew. So you got a couple pair of black jeans and a pair of blue jeans.
Yeah.
So yay!
I found some, what was it, $13 jeans.
Hey, they look nice. They're new. They're not holey.
They're
They're not all
Wranglers.
ragged at the bottom.
Golly.
And if he wears those jeans for anything else but going out somewhere, he's going to get zapped with the stun gun. No.
We'll have to have a video of that.
Oh. Sure, and then I get busted for zapping you.
Elder abuse. Elder abuse.
Yes. Elder abuse. Spousal elder abuse, yes. Yeah, oh gosh. So, Wednesday I went to go have some puppy time with Lola at lunchtime, and then we had our grandson Alex's 8th grade graduation from the charter school that he's been going to since the 3rd grade. So it's kind of a big deal. It's
Big deal.
when we were kids, I mean, I don't know about you, but here when we were kids, Kevin and I were talking about this. It's like there were no kindergarten graduations or middle school graduations.
No.
It was high school and college. That's it.
Yeah, that was all I
Now
did
you've got
too.
graduations for blowing your nose 5 times. I don't know. It's just, but anyways, it's nice, but it's our last one for that school. We've been to 5 different gala graduations for the boys for both of their things, and while we were gone.
Oh yeah, they had a big thunderstorm up here in the North Valley. Big thunderstorm. It didn't even rain where we were in Reno. There wasn't a drop outside. Up here, it was a deluge.
Yeah, they said it was a monsoon. It was like they had this
crazy
big thunder crack, kind of like in the movies where there's like this big thunder crack and then it pours, which you're like, that never happens. Well, it happened here. And it had been so warm. We had the windows all open in the trailer.
Every window was open.
So I'm like, Kevin and Wendy, I'm texting them, it's like, help! If it starts raining, which, because we didn't know, for one thing, we're in this big, huge, giant building, we wouldn't know.
It was already raining.
Yeah. They had to come over, walk their 10 feet over to our house and get in the door with the key code, because I was stupid and locked it.
I know. And it's like, why lock it when they're home?
They're home. I know.
Yeah.
We know. We've learned our lesson.
Oh,
so
yes, you have.
They had to go running in and try and close all the windows.
You've learned.
Yeah. So
well, one of us
anyway, they rescued our house. It did get pretty damp in some areas the way the rain was coming in, but
it's just water. We got it cleaned up, and water is not your friend in RVs. But
no,
this one wasn't the soaking water.
No.
We're not worried about it.
And not only that, this is very dry here.
Most of it was in the windowsills anyway.
Yeah.
And we got it all sopped up, so no issues, no problems.
Nope, no biggie. So, but then on Thursday was my day with my mom.
And the old lady club.
And
she fits right in these days.
Yep. At least with this group, I'm the youngest. So
you're always the youngest.
Well, that's just between us. No, it was Thursday Yahtzee day for Mom, and her friends Terry and Vivian have been asking, when's Lori coming? When's Lori coming? And so we still don't have our Kia back from the shop. And so Wendy gave me a ride into town on her way to work and dropped me off with Mom. And so I got to go have Yahtzee fun with the girls. And I don't know what you did all day while I was gone, but...
Bear and I just chilled all day.
Did ya?
Yeah.
Good.
And Kaylee slept, so...
So she chilled too.
Yeah.
Yep, so that was good. Yeah, you messaged me and you said, it's getting hot in here, should I turn the generator on? Or you couldn't get it started because of the rain.
Oh, yeah.
The generator wouldn't start, and he's like starting to get really hot in the house. I said, plug in. We haven't plugged in since we got here because we have all that wonderful solar. We haven't needed to.
So we haven't even used their power at all, and I wasn't even thinking about it.
So when I came home, we were all nice and cool.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then I got fed real meat that night from Kevin and Wendy.
When we got home, Wendy says, hey, Courtney and Steve are coming over for tri-tip. Come on over, Tom, for some tri-tip. Because I don't eat beef, so...
like, yes, real meat.
Yeah. Gets tired of chicken and fish all the time, and turkey. But once in a very great while, I'll feed him some meat. But not steaks. Not steaks. Anyway, so you got to go eat.
Yep.
Eat some of those stuff. I had some leftover pizza to eat, so that was good for me. And then yesterday at lunchtime, I went over and played with Lola again. Oh my goodness. She got her stitches out from her little procedure, and she was a wild child yesterday.
She runs so fast
and
darts back and forth, and she's a bigger dog. She's still a puppy, but she's like a tall and lanky person.
Yeah, she is. And she's still a baby. She's 5 months old.
She's like a preteen that sprouted up.
Yeah, no, she's not even preteen. There's no way. She's still a toddler.
Okay.
But she's a very strong toddler and crazy girl. So she's been actually really super good for me every time I go. And RJ has some troubles with her jumping on him, and she's always wanting to grab you. And she's usually really good with me, but yesterday she was a wild child. She was really crazy. But I just love her to death. She's so beautiful, and she's so smart. When I came home, I got to go work on some card stuff, and then we had the baseball game. And I don't know what you did all day again.
Chilled.
Yay. Those are always
Those are
great
nice days.
Yep, those are great days.
I've earned those days.
Yes, you have. You totally have. So, last week we mentioned that we were going to have a new feature on Saturdays, our comment of the week. So I don't know, did you get a lot of comments?
Yeah, we had, and it goes for both videos. The Wednesday video, which was a silly, goofy.
Any of you catch that one?
If you haven't seen the What Up Wednesday, go watch it. It's just snippets of us over the last couple of years, the day before a travel day, and what our little routine is. Everybody loved how you ended each one of them, and no fighting.
I said our last reset day, I said, oh, I guess I forgot to say that at the end of our cheers.
Oh my gosh. So anyway,
you have chosen a comment of the week.
And it goes to Shanna Makes It.
Yep, Shanna Makes It.
This is just her comment. Hilarious. You two are just too fun. Is Tom a messy eater? And you think, well, why would she ask that? Go watch the video. There's parts in there where I'm wearing a bib.
He always, whenever he eats, he tucks a paper towel into his shirt. And it's funny, like, if it's summertime, so sometimes you don't have a shirt on, you're like, I don't have anywhere for my bib. I'm gonna get some of those clips like the dentist uses, to put around your neck, and it clips the bib around you when you go to the dentist.
Yeah.
So we also had someone reach out to us that we got to meet in Quartzsite this past winter, and they are Tom,
and
Lori, and a female bear.
Bear.
So Tom, Lori, and Bear came to visit us in Quartzsite. Well, she was checking in to see how our bear was doing. And their bear has had a couple seizure incidences. So we hope that your bear is good, getting better, and that you don't have any more of those, because they're really scary. Yeah. Our dog Daisy had bad seizures, and it was not fun. So thank you for everybody's comments.
Yes, we appreciate it. Remember, comment of the week next week. You got to comment on this video, or possibly the one that comes out Wednesday, if we have one Wednesday.
Oops, that's his job.
But make sure you leave a comment, and please hit that thumbs up. Just go tap it right now.
Right now, thumbs
there.
up.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for doing that.
We do.
All right. Are we Feeny?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, everybody. You have a fantastic week, and we will see ya.
Take your banner and raise